yellow bullet home as well. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why? Don't call me Burpychu. It used to be such a rare thing for me to burp, and now I keep on doing it on stream. I'm sorry. I really have zero control over my burps. Like, when they happen, it's a surprise to me. I can't do it on command, and I have no idea when they're gonna come, so I could be in, like, the most serious situation ever. Like, imagine I'm, like, upstage doing some kind of super important presentation or something like that, and then I could very easily just burp halfway through. That's how just, like, how zero control they are. Definitely clipping that. No! Oh my god. I think that's all of the yellow sheet.